Hello everyone, welcome to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into Living Spaces credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log in and access your Living Spaces credit card online is quite easy. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the search box, search for Living Spaces credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. From the search result, pick this first link that says Living Spaces / manage account or apply - my Synchrony. Since your Living Spaces credit card is issued by Synchrony Bank, click on this link and it will take you to this page. Click the login button at the top right and enter your credentials into the text boxes on the next page. You can easily access and manage your credit card account with this Synchrony Bank's login area. Go to the first text box and type in the username associated with your account, and in the text box where it says password, type in your password correct. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on this I want to register link at the bottom and register first in order to access your credit card account. After filling in the details, if you'd like the system to remember your username in this particular device, click this remember username box, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared computer. Finally, click the login button in order to access your credit card account for Living Spaces. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.